How to make posts on YouTube. You log into your YouTube channel where you want to make the posts. So here is how you can make your post on YouTube. If you are running a YouTube channel and you want to make a post on it, this is how to go about it. You log into your YouTube channel, click on this U that you have down below at your right hand side, and it will pop up where you have your video, download, movie, get YouTube Premium. You click on your videos and it will take you down to this spot. You can see you have home, you have videos, you have shorts, and you have posts. You click on posts and come down to this place, input what you want to post. So for the purpose of this video, I want to make a thank you and congratulations post for my 500 subscribers. So here you would have type what you want. You would have 500 subscribers, thank you. Do this, we just hit 500 subscribers, and I do not take this for granted. Every view, every like, every comment, every share, it means a lot to me. So right here, this journey started small, but growth like this shows that consistency and value always pay off. To everyone who has been watching, learning, and supporting, thank you for trusting my content on Facebook groups. This is just the beginning. More valuable and practical content is coming your way. Let's keep growing together. After making your posts, you can now pick any image that you want to add to it. You can see it says select images. I've picked this. This is the image I want to use to make this post. And here you are. You go up to this upper part and click on posts, and then boom, you see post created. You just created your post. You can see this is the post I just created right now. So here is your post that you created. You can add a comment. You can see I've added my comments, and this is my post. So this is how you make a post on your channel on YouTube. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.